In a cozy corner of the world, there's a house filled with laughter, love, and endless stories. Welcome to our world of magical tales and adventures. I'm Mama, and these are my daughters, Mimi and Zay Zay, and we're thrilled to invite you into our family of storytellers. We're a family with a huge love for stories, imagination, and discovering new things together. Our love for stories started with a mysterious old book we found in our attic one rainy day. It was filled with tales of far-off lands, daring heroes, and enchanted gardens. And so our journey began. Through Mama, Mimi, and Zay Zay, we'll share these adventures with you. Together, we'll explore new words, uncover secrets of great storytelling, and embark on magical quests. With each adventure, we'll dive into fun facts, expand our vocabulary, and learn the magic of language. Imagine learning new words as we trek through enchanted forests or sail mysterious seas. But here's the most exciting part. You get to join us. Help us choose our paths, share your ideas, and let's make this journey together. What stories will we tell? It's up to you. So, are you ready for an adventure? Grab your explorer's hat and let's dive into a world where imagination knows no bounds. Subscribe, like, and hit the bell so you won't miss any of our stories. Welcome to Mama, Mimi, and Zay Zay's Magical Adventures. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for our next adventure. Until then, keep dreaming and exploring.